Hello YouTube, this is Kurt, and welcome to the Kurt Winters YouTube channel, dedicated to bring you advice on collecting cars and celebrating the history of these amazing machines. This channel is focused on helping you with your car or restoration project.
Hey, how's it going, everyone? Just wanted to let you know we had a lot of leftover footage from yesterday during the driving segment, and I wanted to go ahead and give y'all a chance to enjoy that. So sit back and buckle up. Here we go.
As I said before earlier in this video, this Mitsubishi, it is a 5-speed. It is an SL. Definitely, if you want an enthusiast car, not being a manual snob or anything, but the 5-speed is definitely the way to go. Right now we have the sunroof open so we can hear the exhaust. And I thought we'd go over some of the driving characteristics of the car and kind of the feeling that you get out of it. Now, if you've watched this channel before, you know that this is my preferred back road, back track proving ground, or whatever you want to call it. It does go in a loop, and there is very, very minimal traffic on it. So another thing I like about it is it does have various elevation points. So hopefully I can talk and drive and kind of give you some feedback on how this car behaves and if it's something that you might be interested in. Okay, so we're coming up on this corner ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stay in third gear. And this car in third gear, even with the pedal only a quarter of the way down, we still have a lot of torque. Right now they are tearing this road up, so I'm kind of glad right now we're in a front-wheel drive car. And that kind of leads into another point that we can talk about with the SL. The steering is excellent. I mean, excellent. I know we're dealing with, wow, it is really slippery. We're borderline rally out here, folks. So I don't know, maybe this will make for a good video. I'm not sure. Like I said, at least we're in a front-wheel drive car. But as you know, it's kind of a recurring theme in the 90s that, oh, steering is vague. Steering feels off. It kind of floats like a Cadillac. I don't know where the center on point is. I can let you know that the front-wheel drive SL version of this car, the steering is remarkably precise. Obviously, not quite as precise as some of its more expensive competitors, like the NSX. And man, we are full on rally here. Y'all hear this? Yeah, that's the back end getting out. Not as precise as some of its more expensive competitors, but it is extremely precise. Now, of course, that is going to feed into the fact that it is front-wheel drive. We got all those weight. We got all that weight on those front tires, and in my opinion, of the Corvette, the Z, and the 3000 GT, obviously the one we're in now, talking about the car in third person, it definitely has the heaviest, most precise steering, in my opinion. So now that we've gotten one lap under our belt on there, I'll go ahead and flip the camera around, and we'll go ahead and mean, I know I put new suspension all the way around, but I'm talking no body roll. Okay, let's hit the little gravelly section here and see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and keep her in third. This next section is even more gravelly. All of the sound deadening material has been removed from this car, so this could get a little bit loud. But let's hold on and let's have some fun. Like I was saying, I love the elevation of this road a lot. All right, here we go, full on gravel. It for the biscuit up here. This, we're gonna go ahead and drop it in second. You can see the front end, absolutely no grip on all this gravel. Unbelievable. They should have turned the 3000 GTE into a rally car. All-wheel drive VR4 makes sense, but I'll tell you, the front-wheel drive is definitely handling its own with its 18-inch tires. And let's just go ahead and say that these aren't exactly your off-road tires. Okay, so we're going to keep it in second all the way up this corner. And another big patch of gravel. Not going to risk it for the biscuit. And now we have a Ford Explorer who has decided to ruin all of our fun. Which might be a good idea because there is a lot of gravel up through here. You can hear it hitting the bottom of the car. I got the day runner light bar on right now, so I know he can see me. But that was a pretty good run. Definitely the SL handled its own. And that was a blast. So we just got back home and I was noticing how dirty the tires were after our little rally gravel off-road fun. And you can see this is the type of tread pattern that I was dealing with on those gravel roads. And still, I'm not going to complain. The Mitsubishi got a squirrely a little bit, but that front wheel drive setup, the lack of body roll, the good suspension, and even just an average or below average driver like me, I was able to right her whenever we got squirrely. But I do not recommend this type of Nito tire in any type of off-road application. This is definitely not the way to go, but I gotta tell you, it was a hell of a lot of fun. And if you like the footage that we filmed earlier, be sure to drop a comment below.
I really had a lot of fun making this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it too, and I will see you next time.